kitchen vocabulary. Spoon.
Spoon.
She stirs the soup with a spoon. Fork.
Fork.
Use a fork to eat noodles. Knife.
Knife.
He cuts vegetables with a knife. Plate.
Plate.
The food is on the plate. Bowl.
Bowl.
She eats rice in a bowl. Cup.
Cup.
I drink a tea in a cup. Glass.
Glass.
The glass is full of juice. Pan.
Pan.
The eggs are cooking in the pan. Pot.
Pot.
The soup boils in the pot. Kettle.
Kettle.
The kettle is heating water. Blender.
Blender.
She uses a blender to make juice. Microwave.
Microwave.
Heat the food in the microwave. Oven.
Oven.
The cake is baking in the oven. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Keep the milk in the refrigerator. Freezer.
Freezer.
Ice cream stays in the freezer. Stove.
Stove.
The pot is on the stove. Sink.
Sink.
Wash the dishes in the sink. Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Cut the onions on the cutting board. Spatula.
Spatula.
Flip the pancake with a spatula. Grater.
Grater.
She uses a grater for cheese. Tray.
Tray.
The cups are on the tray. Bottle.
Bottle.
The bottle is full of water. Jar.
Jar.
Cookies are inside the jar. Towel.
Towel.
Dry your hands with the towel. Dustbin.
Dustbin.
Throw the waste in the dustbin. Lunchbox.
Lunchbox.
He carries food in a lunchbox. Apron.
Apron.
My mother wears an apron while cooking. Toaster.
Toaster.
The toaster makes crispy bread. Rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Use a rolling pin to make roti. Pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker.
Rice cooks fast in a pressure cooker.